Samsung ducted and cassette units come with this standard flexible hose connector to adapt your condensate drain from your cassette or your ducted unit to your 3/4 inch PVC. The reason they come with this adapter is because we know that you will not always have a perfect alignment from your condensate drain piping that was ran by your plumbing to connect to your indoor unit. So by being flexible, it gives you some play to make an adapter to connect. Some key important things to remember about this is that you cannot have this adapter bent in anything greater than a 30-degree angle. Any more of an angle downward than 30 degrees is going to change the inside diameter of the hose and restrict water flow. Now there's two different types of flexible adapters available. This one here is a mechanical connection. Some of the other units come with the flexible connector that utilizes hose clamps. The installation procedures are similar, as this one with the mechanical connection is a little bit more complex. We're going to show you how to use this one in this video. The first thing you would do is one end of these would simply be pushed down on, and this would adapt to the connector on the end of a one-way cassette in the video that we're going to shoot here today. The other end also has a mechanical connection. Now that mechanical connection would be coupled to this fitting, which in turn would be connected to this purple adapter. You would want to connect those together and use PVC to glue them in place. And this adapter is going to change from the metric size down to a standard 3/4 inch slip connection for your normal condensate drain lines. So in the one-way cassette, we have 3 different adapters to connect. Now let's go ahead and go to the indoor unit and show you how to make those connections. Okay, to install the flexible hose connection, again, this is a mechanical fitting. So we're going to squeeze the end, take it up to our drain adapter on our one-way cassette, push down until you hear it click. Now it's locked in place. The next thing we're going to use is our light blue adapter to couple from the mechanical connection to a slip connection. Hear it click, and it's in place. Finally, we're going to take the purple adapter. This side is the metric side. This side is the standard 3/4 inch slip. We're going to connect it to the blue adapter, and you're going to want to make sure you glue this. Otherwise, this will become a water leak. Then, we're going to have the ability to connect to our 3/4 inch PVC, also with glue. So we'll have a glue connection here and a glue connection here. And this gives us the ability to have some offset if the plumbing is not perfectly aligned with our drain connection. We also have the other version of this hose, which will be used in our ducted units, that instead of having the mechanical connection, we'll utilize hose clamps. And again, while this does give you some flexibility in not being directly connected on a straight angle with your condensate drain line, it must bend downward if it is going to bend, and it cannot bend at more than a 30-degree angle. Otherwise, the inside diameter of the tube will be compromised, and you will have a backup of water into the cassette or ducted unit, and you will have a condensate overflow problem.
For service manuals and other documentation, please visit our website at samsunghvac.com or use our Samsung HVAC mobile app to download any technical documentation. Thank you.